Hello everyone, this is William Armstrong with an update. The PS3 does boot with the 60 gig hard drive I put in it earlier today, but the only fail here is it's stuck in a file system corrupt repair boot loop. Like it continuously tries to fix the file system on the hard drive, but then it automatically just re-loops back to the same screen with no way around it too much. My only guess is to try to do a firmware reinstall through a USB flash drive to try to do that, but if that doesn't work, then this thing is bricked. I have the PS3 firmware, the official firmware, on a flash drive to load on here through the safe mode method by holding down the power button when you first turn it on. You press the power button once, you press and hold it again until a second beep is heard through 2 repeat power button presses, and then it takes you to a safe mode menu. But unfortunately, this is what's really happening here. I'll show you the problem of the cause of the issue. It's stuck at 4%, but after a little bit it jumps to 100 and then it comes straight back here. I have a Seagate hard drive that's worked fine previously in it, the Seagate one right here, but there is a different type of hard drive, either a Hitachi 60 gig or a Seagate 60 gig. But this PS3 is stuck in a file system recovery boot where it'll hit 100, but then it goes out and comes back at the same error message. So I'm gonna have to try a firmware reinstall to see if this takes care of it. If it does, then it's back up and running. If not, then this thing is permanently unusable. I've learned that the security system of the PS3 only boots from the hard drive that is last used. It won't boot from that drive. It just won't start from. It'll shut off from that drive, but this drive it'll start from. The system firmware is on the drive locally. As soon as you change drives, you would have to immediately get the system to reinstall the firmware. But the problem is it won't work if you swap the drive and don't install the firmware on the other drive you swap to. So swapping drives can cause issues. See, this is what's happening. It boots normally, but then it won't go to the main X and B screen. It goes to that same message. Now if I do the safe mode recovery boot, I hold it until it trips out. Now I press power. And I press and hold. Okay, I can't get it to start normally. You're supposed to initiate safe mode by holding the power button down until you hear a series of two short beep beep, and then it takes you to a safe mode menu. So that's inaccessible too. It is also currently inaccessible. So this thing is a brick now, since it got system firmware version 4.86, and it keeps getting stuck to that screen. So when I hold the power button for a brief moment, keep it pressed, I can't get it to go to safe mode. It won't go there. It just keeps going to the file system recovery corrupt screen message, where I can get it to go to safe mode. The system shuts down when I did the power button repeat method to get to safe mode. So I hold until I hear 2 beeps, and I let go. And now I got it. Okay, I got it to work. Hopefully I can try to fix this, because switching hard drives into PS3 can cause problems. If this doesn't work, then the system is still going to be broke. So this is William Armstrong signing out, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.